Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ. What's common between those? The drivetrain, the engines and transmission that they use. If you have a hybrid engine, guys, it's the same engine transmission in all these three vehicles, and we will explain if you guys have check engine light on and code P0106, 107 or 108, what causes that and how to fix it. All that will be covered in this video today. Now, let's go ahead and start on it. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we need to do, I'm going to go ahead and open the hood here, support it, and I want to show you what we have, guys. Now, if you have these codes, you're out of luck. Okay, you will see, guys, why. It's a little sensor, it's not very expensive. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it for a good price, but it's really hard to get to. Now, this is the scanner that I usually keep in the glove box of my vehicles, guys. It's amazing too. It's very cheap, but it can read the lead code, see live data, and check the emission status of your vehicle. So it's a tool that I would recommend. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's so cheap that I bought a few so I can use, put in the glove box in every vehicle I own. That way I can have a peace of mind when I'm traveling somewhere. If you look right here, guys, this is your hybrid engine. The only thing, we have the 2 hoses removed. You practically don't even need to do that, but we remove them for other repairs. We'll be cleaning the throttle body and all that stuff. But if you look right here, guys, between cylinder 1 and 2, you will see down there between the 2 you have a sensor. This is known as a MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor. The easiest way for me to show you guys is with the endoscope camera. So I'm going to get the endoscope camera. Let's get somebody just to come hold it for a second so I can show you where exactly it's located. Okay, let's hold it right here close so you can see where I'm going. Perfect. And if I go between cylinder 1 and 2 on the intake manifold, okay, let me focus on it, that sensor, okay, alright, let me turn the light off so you can see maybe even better. That sensor, guys, right there, this is your MAP sensor. It attaches, guys, on the bottom, okay, with 1 bolt. Okay, let me just go ahead and bend that thing a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So we'll go here. This is the MAP sensor, and on the bottom, okay, come on, right there you can see the bolt. That's a Torx star looking bit, guys. That will be the only thing holding it. Okay, if you have any of these codes, check the connector that it's plugged in. This is the connector with the wire. You can see that's your connector. Make sure the wires are not broken, not yanked out. If it's connected, guys, if it's plugged in, it's very likely you have a bad MAP sensor, and we'll have a video how to test one. But in some cases, dirty throttle body can cause MAP sensor code as well. And this throttle body, guys, if we go through here, okay, you see on the inside, okay, let's go a little bit more in. Okay, you will see it turns black. It's really black on the inside. Okay, so definitely, guys, okay, that dirty throttle body can cause that as well, but 9 out of 10 cases will be either loose wire or bad MAP sensor, and we'll have a video on the channel how to replace it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.